All right, so we're looking at whether a 30 XRP price is realistic in this bull cycle.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly.
The analysts are pretty upbeat, citing past bull cycles where XRP multiplied at least 10 times.
Right, but isn't it a bit optimistic given XRP's current market pressures?
Well, yeah, it's like saying if you've seen a double bottom pattern in a breakout, you might expect a similar move. In fact, technical analyst Gert van Lagen even pointed to a jump toward $34 with a measured move setup using a 2.00 Fibonacci extension.
Interesting, but don't you think there's some risk here? I mean, the article mentions that over 95% of XRP's supply is already in profit, which historically forced some sharp corrections.
Definitely, there's a risk factor. When most
Yeah,
holders are sitting on gains, it tends to trigger profit taking, which can pile on the sell pressure. It's like an overheated engine that might cool down too quickly after a big push.
that makes sense. And there's also the point about the stark overvaluation relative to on-chain activity, right? XRP Ledger's market cap is huge compared to its TVL, which raises some eyebrows.
Exactly, it's interesting because the XRP ledger sports a massive market cap, about $190 billion, compared to a measly $85 million in TVL. That disparity really highlights the
Right?
overvaluation risks, almost like you're paying a premium for potential growth that might not materialize as expected.
So in essence, while there's excitement around reaching the 30 plus mark, there's also a fair warning in the back of everyone's mind about the previous cycle's volatility and the specter of profit taking.
Yeah, absolutely. And think about it. XRP has rallied by over 550% since November, reaching above $3 on Tuesday, which is remarkable. But that same rally, reminiscent of previous multi-year bases, carries a risk. It's like riding a roller coaster, where the climb is steep and the drop can be even steeper.
I get it. And with the backdrop of developments like the Ripple lawsuit progress and ETF optimism adding fuel to the fire, do you really think these catalysts can sustain such a bullish momentum?
They could, to an extent. The 2020 to 21 rally came in a near zero interest rate environment, while the more recent rally was powered by legal clarity, exchange relistings, and the ongoing ETF chatter. But here's a point. If the
Yeah,
ETF gets delayed, or if profit taking kicks in hard, that uptrend toward $34 might face serious headwinds.
I see your point. So while the technicals and historical patterns seem promising, the high percentage of supply and profit and the overvaluation based on on-chain metrics are really the red flags.
Exactly. There's a lot of potential, but also a lot of caution. The bullish projection is there, but so is the realistic possibility of corrections if market conditions shift.
Right?
It's a delicate balancing act between optimism and understanding the underlying risks.
So, in a nutshell, hitting $30 or even $34 might be achievable if the market ticks all the right boxes, but it's not without significant risks along the way.
Yeah, that's a perfect wrap up. It's like a high stakes game of chance where the payoff is huge, but you better be ready for the ups and downs. And always do
Exactly.
thorough research before jumping in.